Welcome to your fresh journey with this Resilience Tea Blending Kit, specially curated for you to boost your health for resilience. In health, resilience is your body's ability to defend, to bounce back to its original state of balance, and to be able to relax quickly. So these 8 ingredients picked by our in-house nutritionist will help to do just that. Lavender. Lavender contains linalool, a phytocompound that relaxes the body so much, it is actually comparable to the relaxing effects of cannabis. Linalool can also be found in the tea elixir serum to soothe and calm the skin, especially in times of inflammation. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is not just an aggressive plant, it is also a relaxing plant. But one of the things it does very well is to aid digestion, assisting you with the digestion of grease especially. When taken as a tea, we take on lemon balm's main characteristics of good defense while staying calm. Rose. Rose has been used since the ancient times for its antioxidant properties, assisting with healing quickly. While helping disarm free radicals that can damage our cells, its anti-inflammatory properties also soothes, bringing back our balanced state faster. Undeniably, the scent of rose is also very uplifting, making it a must-have in dull, less happy moments. Moringa. Moringa is a superfood. It contains more minerals than vegetables, more vitamins than fruits, more calcium than eggs, and more protein than meat. When completely destroyed, the moringa tree has the ability to regrow without any assistance. This resilience is admirable and one we must introduce into our tea when we are feeling we've been attacked. Monk flower. Touted as the flower of youth and happiness, the monk flower is the delicate flower of the famous monk fruit, luohanguo. There was a man in China, Li Qingyun, who lived to a ripe old age of 256 years old and had 24 wives. Claims to have this longevity thanks to his job as a herbalist. And one of the herbs he often consumed was the monk flower, echinacea. Another superfood in our opinion, echinacea's ability to stimulate our immunity has been personally tried and tested by me. I've lived through COVID unscathed and have never had COVID. This mighty herb contains several phytochemicals that make it antimicrobial, antiviral, insecticidal, and an antioxidant. Camellia sinensis. Camellia sinensis is basically the tea plant. The various ways of oxidation and fermentation that creates the white, green, red, black, pu'er, oolong, and so forth. They're actually all from the same plant. While we wish this is the Mauritius tea plant, which is what is giving the tea elixir product so much antioxidant to build the skin's resilience, this selected green tea is also high in antioxidant compounds. Drink sparingly as this tea contains caffeine. Citrus japonica. Citrus japonica contains vitamin C and has antibacterial, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties that fight off various infections. Use sparingly as it lends a sour but citrusy taste to your tea. Now that you've understood a bit more about your tea blending kit's ingredients, go ahead to pick 3 ingredients your heart is leading you to and scoop to fill your tea bags found in the little envelope. Fill to about half full. Remember, lavender can lend a bitter taste naturally, so use less of it. Steep your blend for 5 minutes in hot water, preferably boiling, and take a sniff to calm your senses before drinking. Enjoy!